Hey guys, welcome back to Basan's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a really cool recipe. It's Turkish style chicken shish kebab, also known as tavuk shush. I hope I pronounced it right. It's a simple recipe, but it is the coolest thing in the world. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's go over the ingredients really quick. I have tomato paste, fresh ground garlic, yogurt, onion. We have cumin powder, red chili powder and Spanish paprika, salt, black pepper, cinnamon powder. For chicken, I have about 5 pieces of chicken breast and it's about 5 pounds. We're gonna use oil, lemon juice, and a little bit of my food coloring. This is it guys, all the ingredients are in. Now let's make this cool and awesome recipe, Basan style. So I'm gonna start off with prepping the chicken. And the first step is to clean it. So we're gonna take the ring connector off. We don't want any cartilage. I'm gonna take this Now we're gonna put it in. Just about an inch thick strips. Cut them in the middle. This is what you want. The chicken's cut. The cubes are beautiful. We're gonna start off is with onions, very roughly diced. 1 onion. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna do 1 cup of yogurt. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So it's 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of garlic, depending on how sharp you like it. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of garlic. Lemon juice, we're gonna do 6 tablespoons. 6 and 1 for good luck. We'll do 6 tablespoons of oil. And 1 for the luck. Doing 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, not chili powder. We're gonna use that, but this is paprika. 1 tablespoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. So this step is completely optional. I like a little color on my tikkas, so I'm gonna put 1/4 cup of my yellow food coloring. I'm gonna put the recipe for that in the description as well. But if you want just plain white chicken, you don't have to do it, you can just skip it. But I like a little color because it looks hot. Wow. So now we're gonna mix it in and we're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And if you have time, you can do it overnight. But after 2 hours, we're good to go. So I let it sit for about 2 hours in the refrigerator. The color is set in. You can see they're nice and bright. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in my skewers. And then we're gonna move on to my favorite part, is grilling. It's awesome. I always have been the biggest fan of grilling since I've started cooking. So let's get it done. So I tried to take together. I'm gonna do about 5 skewers, or 5 pieces of chicken per skewer. Kind of like that number. You could do 6 if you like. Check this out. You're gonna let it sit here. We're turning them every 20 seconds or so, and you see, now you see the chars coming on little by little. Even char. They're cooking evenly. Wow. Awesome. hydrated with the seasoned oil a little. Right after the chicken almost gets to cook, and this kind of helps to give it a char and obviously keep it hydrated. As you can see, kebabs are ready, and the best way to check if they're ready is you touch and you can feel if they're firm, that means they're good to go. And these are good to go. So now we're gonna go and start plating. This is it, guys. The skewers are ready. They look gorgeous. I let them rest for about 5 minutes. They're done beautifully, and the char and the color is out of this world. Now we're gonna move on to my second favorite part. We're gonna plate, and yes, we're gonna do it Basan style. So this plating. Wow. I am totally in love with it. This is it, guys. The recipe is complete. My skewers look gorgeous. Look at the beautiful color of the chicken and a perfect char. This is served with my rice. We have a nice fresh green salad. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. This is the food I love cooking. This is the food that's gonna go in my restaurant. So, please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basan style. I'm gonna take it out for a spin. I like it well done. Oops. Okay, here we go. Shut the front door. I'm telling you, you have to try this. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more time. Wow.